This car was completely abandoned and left to rust for years, with broken windows, damaged panels, and nature slowly taking over. And honestly, it didn't look like it could be saved at first. But step by step, we cleaned it out, repaired the damage, fixed what could be saved, and slowly brought it back to life, giving it fresh paint, modern upgrades, and subtle details that completely changed its look. And now, seeing it finished, it's hard to believe this is the same car that once sat forgotten, proving that with patience and effort, even something written off can be rebuilt.